you can try to install the Spring IDE. Are you understanding, guys, please? Hello? Just you can
Yes, sir.
type like this.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Then you can install then the Spring tools, whatever may be. Just we are trying to installing software. Please try to do this your side also, guys, please. Are you understanding, guys, please? Unsigned. Don't worry, you can try to click press selected. Anyway, it takes time. Restart now. It's done. My internet speed is good now. It's installed. Stalled.
Sir, unsigned select your sir.
Just come on. Right. So still is going on. Wait, let me wait few minutes, please. Because yes, done now. See here, right click on this. Then new. Then you can try to say here. XML file is not coming. Okay. Okay. Let me install one more plugin. So otherwise, you can try to install Spring Eclipse 3.0, sir. Spring tools, sir. Okay, Spring tools. Yeah. Yeah, so you can download this one, sir. Spring Tools 3 add-on Spring Tools here. Meanwhile, let me try to upload some files. See what it mean by constraints, guys. Anyone, please? Anyone? What it mean by constraints? What do you mean by constraints? Constraints nothing but the rules. Then by default, by default, every column, by default, every column, by default, every column, by default, every column accept null value, accept null value. Okay. But if you want to restrict the column, I don't want to see a null values. The column wants to restrict unique values. In the moment, we can try to go for the constraints. Let me try to introduce not null constraint. Next, what about next one? Not null. What about next one? Not null. Next,
Unique.
unique. Next,
Default.
default, okay, default, next primary key
Primary key, foreign key.
and foreign key. Next, check constraint. So like this, we are having some of the predefined constraints. Yes, not null, it means that it's not allow the null values. Not null constraint. What exactly, sir? If you specify the column before, it will not allow null value. It will not allow null value. Got it? Next, it allow the duplicate value. It allows duplicate. It allows duplicate values. Unique. It will not allow duplicate values. It will not allow duplicate values. And it allows null values. So, but default, generally a common, to apply the common values per specific columns, we prefer to use default. Common information, it means that, for example, organization name I want to specify for each and every column, each and every in the row, in the particular column level. I can try to apply the common, yes, we can try to common information for specific column. To apply the common information for specific columns. Now, primary key. So what is the primary key? It will not allow null value and duplicate value. Are you clear? Combination of the null and duplicate, generally we try to use primary key. What is the foreign key? To make a relation between two tables, relation, to make a relation between two tables, we can use foreign key. Are you clear? To make a relation, 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 yes, two tables, we can use foreign key. Are you understand, guys? To make a relation between the two tables, we can use a foreign key. To make a relation between the two tables, yes, we can try to use a foreign key. Check constraints. So when we can try to use check constraint, guys, please, anyone? Condition. If you want to work as a condition, we can try to use a check constraint too, right? Are you understand?
Yes, sir.
Right. Next. Next one. Let me try. This is the way you can try to use a constraint. So I want to design one application, madam. So if you want to design the application, so what is the relationship you can try to specify? One to many to one, many to many to one application. So one to many. What it mean by one to many, ma'am? Anyone? One student can join n number of courses, right? One user can purchase n number of products. Yes or no? Then one customer user, better instead of that, we can try to use customer. Yes, one customer can buy n number of products. Yes or no? One customer can be buy n number of one customer. Yes, we can try to buy n number of this one. Whatever next one. Come on, guys. What about next one? See, like one question can have n one question. Yes, one question can have n number of answers. Yes or no? Friends, are you understand what I'm trying to say? You please. So in these cases, yes, we can try to use no doubt about it. So one more point in my point of it. So one department can have n number of employees. Yes or no, guys? One department can have n number of employees, sir, please. Yes or no? So yes, we can try to perform the operation. One department can have n number of employees. So more than one employee can be work on one department, madam? Yes or no? Yes. So what I can try to call in this case? Can I call as a many to one to many? Are you understanding, madam, please? Yes or no, please? So this is the cases, sorry. Then we can try to specify the things like this, madam. Then let me work it. So one to many, when you are trying to working, yes, what way can I do design it? Now let me try to work in one approach is one to many when you're trying to speaking about it. Yes, one question can have n number of answers. One question can have n number of answers. Can you design that this one? One question can have a number of answers, please. Yes or no?
Yes.
Right. Right. So one question and one employee can have n number of questions. Yes, Shiva, I can. So now you can try to start writing, sir. Question. Question ID. Question name. Yes. Answer. Answer ID. Answer name. And who is posted by? Then you can use question ID like this. This is a question. It means that I want to maintain the relationship, madam. Yesterday me చేసిన దానికి relationship లేదు కదమ్మా. ఇక్కడ relationship ఇద్దాం. Are you clear? Yes. Now, so one question. And what is Java? Can you explain anyone, please? What is Java? It means that yes. Can you design or not? Right. Indeed. Right. Let me try to go for previously within one shot itself it will be registered, madam. Now had we do like this, so many options, so many ways. So one more thing is how many entity class we required, madam? How many tables we are writing? Two tables. Then how many entity classes required, guys?
Two entity
How many?
classes.
Two entity classes. That's a clear picture. First. So tomorrow we'll try to start the Spring Framework, boss.